Okay, ready for another problem? Here we go. So now we have this problem, and I like this one because it looks complicated, but it's actually quite straightforward. Now, I am not going to rewrite this one the way that the textbook does, because I don't like the way the textbook does it. I'm going to leave it the way it is, and notice something. Notice that if you think about the rules of logarithms, this is where you kind of have to think about what you're looking for. So immediately I was looking at, okay, what can I get a du over u situation, right? Or, that 1 over x. So immediately when I was looking at this, I said, okay, well, it's a fraction, so maybe I can get du over u somehow, do a u substitution. Well, so if I wanted, so that means the top would have to be the derivative of the bottom. So if you take the derivative of the bottom, what do you get? Let's just do some scratch work and look it out. So here you get 4x cubed plus 6x. Okay, so I've got the x cubed and I've got the x. Now I've got a common factor here that I can pull out, right? So I can write this as 2 times 2x cubed plus 3x, and there we go. It's right there. So now my u is going to be u, or is going to be this. My du is going to be the top, but it's going to be multiplied by 2. So that's what I'm going to do. So now that I figured it out, let's do our u substitution. So u is going to equal x squared plus 3x x to the 4th plus 3x squared. So then du is going to equal 2, right? 2 times 2x cubed plus 3x dx. Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just divide both sides by 2. And so now I've got my dx, right? So now if I set up my integral of 2x cubed plus 3x over x to the 4th plus 3x squared dx. Now I can rewrite this as 1/2 du over u. And I'm done, almost. So now this is going to equal 1/2 the natural log of the absolute value of u plus c. And now all I have to do is put back in for u, which is this, and I'm done. So it's 1/2 times the natural log of the absolute value of x to the 4th plus 3x squared plus c. Now, here we can drop the absolute value signs. We do not need the absolute value signs, and the reason why is because these are both even exponents, so x will always be positive, and so therefore we can drop the absolute value signs. Okay? But this is, I mean, if you leave the absolute value signs, That's fine. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.